back to my YouTube channel. This video will be your sign to just get up and try new hobbies and find which ones you like. Just do them this summer. Okay, so as I've said before in a video that I create my Halloween looks in summer because Halloween के वक्त में मेरे papers जो है मिड्स बहुत करीब होते हैं या फिर चल रहे होते हैं तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है मेरे लिए मैनेज करना. सो आई फील लाइक व्हाई नॉट जस्ट क्रिएट देम इन समर. जस्ट wrote down 5 hobbies that I am loving this summer, which includes journaling, reading, watching shows, online dance class, walking my cat. These are some things that I am loving, this summer. So I'm going to be doing that. The fun part about this video will be that I am going to be creating a Halloween look and I will be recreating the fit for my Halloween post from Pinterest. So that is going to be the fun part. So I'm just going to get started with the look because it is currently 3:02 p.m. and maybe I have to go out today as well. So I think I should just hurry and start with the shoot. First, let's scroll through Pinterest and find the perfect fit for our look. Also, today's look is going to be this, the Queen of Hearts from Alice in Wonderland. I'm going to be recreating her look. Okay, so this is basically the outfit that she wears. और इस तरह का मुझे कुछ बनाना है. I think I have a shirt like this, button up, collar वाली. I have to find something black over it and something red. Let's see more. Also, I need to do something red to my hair, so I'm probably just going to paint my hair because I do not have a red wig. I have a pink, but I don't think that can work. Let's see. I think I have something like this. I can make something. Maybe this would look good as red. Let's see how it goes. Also, her hands are now white. Not have to paint the hands white, thank God. काफ़ी टाइम पहले मैंने ये लुक प्लान की थी. तो जब मैंने ये वाली लुक प्लान आउट की थी और मैं सोच रही थी कि मुझे ये वाली लुक बनानी है तो आई सॉ दिस वन रील, मतलब टिकटॉक, उस पर किसी ने इसी तरह का कॉस्प्ले किया हुआ था और वो वाला साउंड यूज़ किया था जो इस मूवी में ये वाली जो है ना, ये वाला कैरेक्टर यूज़ करता है. इस वाले पे मैं आज वीडियो बनाने वाली हूँ एंड आई एम सो एक्साइटेड. नाउ द मेकअप इज सेलेक्टेड, द वीडियो इज सेलेक्टेड. लेट्स जस्ट फिगर आउट द क्लोथ्स फॉर माई कबर्ड एंड देन स्काई प्लीज. You guys, I am done with the outfit. I swear it looks so on point. Also, मैंने पापा की एक बटन अप शर्ट बोरो की है, वो भी ब्रांड न्यू. And if the paint touches it, he's going to end me. उसके ऊपर जो है corset और वो वाला सारी vibe देनी है. तो I'm going to show you how I make my Halloween outfits and basically the outfits that I have to create for like looks. Okay, so for the base shirt मैंने ये वाली ली है, ठीक है. तो wait, let me show you side by side. ठीक है, for this white shirt I'm going to be using this, and for this black upper type ये मैंने ये जो ब्लैक दुपट्टा है ना, इसको if I take it like this दोनों साइड से I can probably make that. Lastly for this part ये वाला जो है corset वाली वाइब, ये मैंने कॉस्ट्यूम में भी देखा था, लड़की ने रेड यूज़ किया हुआ था, तो आई थिंक रेड विल गो फाइन विद इट. सो आई एम गोइंग टू बी यूजिंग दिस फ्रॉक फॉर माई corset kind of vibe. So that is exactly how I make the looks. I do not own all the pieces that these characters have. Please guys understand that. Also for the hair I'm going to be using my trusty You Can Be की Anthena palette. It is the best palette for everybody और जो भी cosplays वगैरह करते हैं. It's the best. I have been using it since 2 years and I love it. Like literally I'm obsessed with it. It has so many different shades, shimmer shades, a silver and a gold. So for the hair I'm going to go with the red shade. So without any further ado, let's just jump straight into the makeup. How to start the makeup. So I have all of my setup on my bed because आज मेरा दिल चाहता है बेड पे बैठ काम करने का, not the seat. So for the base paint I'm going to be using the Anthena palette. Just wanted to give you guys a little product details. So also for the eyes I'm going to be using these two palettes, the Sapphire Obsession and also the Romantic palette. Other than that Also, I'm going to be, moisturizing my face with the Miniso Rose Toner and the Reward Aloe Gel because it's really important. For the lips, it's going to be white on the sides and red in the middle. So I'm going to be using the TB Parlor ka red shade, and then it's a cream. And then to top it off and to make it matte, I'm going to be using the Ruby Obsessions. Also, maybe for the eyes and for the shimmer part, I am going to be using the Reward ki palette, जो कि दिखती है कुछ. एक second, let me open it. Maybe this shade I'm going to use, the blue one. Just, I think so. Also for the eyelashes, I'm going to be using these lashes that I got from Daraz. For the mascara, I'm going to be using the J Dot Note Volume Matte Mascara. Yeah, maybe I'm going to be using Miss Rose ka pen eyeliner, and I'm just going to be watching some YouTube, and I have some drink, and I'm all set for the shoot. Let's get started. Just got done with the shoot, and I cannot show you guys my face because I look like a mess. That was the look. I'm just going to clean all of this mess. Color in my hair right now, like as you can see. I don't know if you can see it, but it is orange paint, orange and red paint. See, orange and red paint. Yes. Guys, I just cleaned my room. As you can see, I cleaned my room. So hard to take the paint out of my hair. While I was removing the paint, it felt like I was dyeing my hair orange. इतना paint निकल रहा था. Oof. Anyways, I have a headache now because I haven't eaten anything. I just woke up, I had a cup of tea and French toast, and I'm starving. There's almost 7 p.m. right now. I'm going to go have some delicious food right now, and then I'm going to be training my cat for the walk, which is my new habit or hobby, you can say, that I love doing that. It is sort of like an exercise bhi ho jati hai isme, to I'm going to do that after I have some food. Otherwise, I think I'll be... I just came back home. I was just in my hallway, and it was just day 3 of me training Sky out of the house and try to walk, exercise a little bit. So that was that. It's just a little 10 minutes, exercise that we do. And it was the day 3rd. Had some yummy food. Now it's time to read, and it's quite some time since I started this book, but I stopped it and I started reading webtoons. So I'm going to get back at it. Just got done reading, and now I actually have to go out. I really want some donuts right now, and I think we are going out. So I have to get dressed. I really do not feel like going. I think I'm going to get up and dress up, do some makeup, nice natural makeup, and I really want to wear something blue today, light blue. I'm feeling like, also because it's summer, even though I'm going to be uploading this vlog late, very close to Halloween. I'm filming this in July, and I'm going to be posting it like almost, nearing Halloween because of the look that I showed you. I don't, expose my looks beforehand. I'm just going to get up and get ready, find a blue outfit, and then I think we can get ready together. Okay, for my outfit today, I am wearing this dress. It is kind of purpley and it's the lightest blue shade that I want aaj ke liye, and it's from Saya. I wore this last year on Eid al-Azha, and I think, yes, I'm going to be wearing this. Also, it needs some ironing, so I'm going to go press it now. Time to choose the jewelry. I have some jewelry pieces here. So let's see which ones that I want. Let's zoom you guys in. I really want to wear these, but मेरे ख्याल से मैं इसके साथ ये वाला पहले पेयर कर चुकी हूँ. मगर I was just looking at some Pinterest inspirations and I found out ये वाले बहुत cute लग रहे थे इस तरह के कलर के साथ. I think I'm gonna go with them if I find the other one. I have so many pieces, but thankfully I found it. I think I'm gonna go minimalistic with earrings. Just going to be wearing these earrings today. And they're so cute. The most prettiest sparkle on my eyelids right now. That is the only way my stress will be relieved and my headache will be fine. Hello, the middle one. That's going on my eyelid right now. It doesn't even match my dress, but I can make it work. You guys will see. If I drag it all the way to my eyebrows, it will look fine somehow. I will give some definition with the, an eyeshadow if needed. I just wanted a shimmer. Are you guys seeing that? That is insanely beautiful. Hello, pigments. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. So here, to make it a little bit highlighted. And yes, it is all over my crease now and all the way to my eyebrow bone. Now I'm just going to fix it with a little bit of pigment eyeshadow. Let's see. I'm just going to take my trusty Makeup Studio palette and I'm going to be going in with this shade, this brown. Believe me, a brown on your eyelid and a brown on your lip can fix all the problems. Taking this sort of circular brush, is going to be doing this just to add a little volume to the eyes. Okay. More. And I just realized that I'm getting late. Okay. Yes, I see that is a color placement, kind of a brush. I'm just going to blend it. It's my blender brush. It's my blender brush. Do that. Yes. Can I see that? Lips are stained from that red paint. एक पूरा सा लग रहा है जैसे मैंने pumping gloss लगाया था. ready. This is the completed look, and I am leaving my hair open. Also, I feel like even though I washed my hair, still a little, So I'm going over to a friend's house tomorrow, and I don't know I'm going with this hair. Anyways, this is my outfit. I'm wearing all blue and my little earrings, and this is the makeup. Now I gotta run. I'm also making some TikToks. And yeah, before leaving, I will also upload a post on my Instagram. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, it is Glam with Richa. I am back home and I still have a headache, and I feel like I overworked myself today. But anyways, I tried OD today and it was so good. Also, I went to Tornado, one of my favorite places to have burgers from. So I have a burger right now. Okay, I think I'm gonna eat because I have a terrible headache right now. But I have to upload today's content on my stories. I have some things to do as well right now, and it's so late. It's almost midnight. I think I'm overworking myself today. I am so tired. It's such a hectic day, but that is how I'm like. Feeling a little better. I don't know if I'm telling you guys the truth or not, but I think actually I don't feel that good. But I think I'm going to eat the burger right now. I have the burger and it's literally 1:44 a.m. I'm a little hungry, so I think I'm going to eat the burger. Or it's probably all, cold by now, but what could I do? I had such a terrible headache. मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर पाई घर आने के बाद. मैं बस बैठी हूँ और मैं लेट की और I was literally, almost crying. I think I'm just going to relax for a little while, watch a show, maybe watch my favorite show. I'm just going to watch Netflix थोड़ी देर के लिए ताकि मैं थोड़ा comfortable हो सकूँ, थोड़ा relax feel कर सकूँ. Then I'm just going to change my dress. May remove my makeup and get ready for bed. I have an alarm for 7:30 in the morning kal ke liye because I am going over to a friend's house and I have to film tomorrow as well. The only thing left for me to do from today's video wala part jo ke journaling tha, the new hobby that I am loving these days is to make the journal. So I think I'm going to be making a journal page relating to today's day because today was such a good day, alhamdulillah. I think I'm going to be doing that tomorrow morning because कल सुबह उठने के बाद मेरे पास थोड़ा बहुत time होगा, so I can film that for you guys tomorrow. So right now I'm just going to log off and I'm just going to go to bed after I eat my dinner, or maybe midnight dinner. Next day, and I just got back from a friend's house and we had so much fun. I just washed my face, I removed the makeup. I just had my dance class. It was from 9 p.m. to 9:15 p.m. Right now it's 9:40 p.m. I had so much fun. It was so relaxing. I am going to journal about my days. I'm going to journal about yesterday and today. I'm just going to be super creative with it so I can relax my mind. But first, I'm just going to go and have some tea. Just finished journaling and it looks so cute. I have SPF on it. I have some donuts. I tried some new donuts and I have some plants on it for positivity and a series date kind of slogans. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Bye.